In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit services on Fresha, a comprehensive guide that will empower you to keep your business's service offerings up to date and accurately represented. Whether you're looking to tweak existing services or update pricing and descriptions, this tutorial has got you covered. First things first, open up your favorite web browser and head over to the Fresha website specifically designed for business users. You can find the direct link at www.fresha.com/f4-business. This is your gateway to accessing a wide range of features that Fresha offers to help manage and grow your business efficiently. Once you're on the site, the next step is to log in. Look for the login button situated prominently on the web page. Clicking this will bring you closer to accessing the backend of your Fresha business account where all the magic happens. After clicking login, you'll be prompted to select for business. This ensures that you're accessing the platform with the right set of tools and permissions to manage your business effectively. Fresha separates its business and client interfaces to optimize functionality for each user type, so this step is crucial. Now it's time to sign in using Google for a swift and secure login. Click on Sign In using Google. This is a convenient feature for those who prefer not having to remember another set of login credentials. By linking your Google account, you're streamlining your access to Fresha. Next, select your Google account. If you're signed into multiple Google accounts, make sure to choose the one associated with your business or the one you wish to use for managing your Fresha account. This will bring you directly into your Fresha dashboard, the hub of your business on the platform. With access to the dashboard, navigate to the catalog section. This is where all your services are listed and any modifications to these services will be made here. The catalog is effectively the menu of services you offer to your clients, so keeping it updated is vital for accurate representation and client satisfaction. Once you're in the catalog section, click on the service menu. This will display all the services you currently offer. From here you can manage each service individually, whether it's to update descriptions, adjust pricing, or change the duration of the service. Now for the editing process, locate the service you wish to edit and click on the three dots, sometimes referred to as the More button, next to the service listing. This will reveal additional options for that particular service. After clicking the three dots, select Edit from the drop-down menu. This action will take you to the editing interface for that specific service, where you can make any necessary adjustments, whether it's updating the service name, description, price, or any other details. This is where you can ensure your service offerings are precisely how you want them. Make the necessary changes needed in the service details. Here you can really fine-tune the aspects of your service that matter most, both to you and your clients. Whether you're staying ahead of market trends, adjusting for seasonal demands, or reflecting changes in your business operations, keeping your service details current is imperative. Finally, after you've made all your desired edits, don't forget to click Save Show. This step is crucial as it ensures all the changes you've implemented are stored and will be reflected on your Fresha business page. By clicking Save, you're not only updating your service offerings but also ensuring your clients have the most current information available. There you have it, a step-by-step guide to editing services on Fresha, designed to help you manage your offerings efficiently and effectively. Keeping your service catalog updated is key to an accurate representation of your business, ensuring client satisfaction, and ultimately supporting the growth of your enterprise. Remember, in today's dynamic market, flexibility and prompt updates to your service offerings can set you apart from the competition. By following these steps, you ensure that your business stays ahead of the curve, ready to meet and exceed client expectations. Thanks for watching, and here's to your continued success on Fresha.